Hey, what's up? James here, and guess what? Bitcoin just crossed $5,000. Welcome to FOMO City. Welcome to the place where everyone, a lot of people get in at the wrong time. So, guys, I'm going to talk about technical analysis for Bitcoin, but also at the end of this video, I'm going to be doing a 0.01 Bitcoin giveaway. So stay till the end of this video for details on that. This video will be pretty short. Just want to kind of talk about what just happened to Bitcoin, the psychology of what's happening in the market, and what to look out for. So like if you're not in Bitcoin right now, which it's kind of like why you should have been in earlier, this is not the best time to get in, but we do believe Bitcoin is going up to $8,000 to $10,000, somewhere in that range. So you could obviously still get in and play it for that swing, but don't jump in right now expecting to come in at $5,300, $5,400 and turn it into $25,000 by like it's not going to work that way. So I want to talk a little bit about technical analysis, show you guys this chart, also do the Bitcoin giveaway here at the end, and then we'll see what's what. All right. So on the screen here, you guys can see Bitcoin, and this is the Bitcoin to US dollar chart. Very, very simple. This is 6 hour candles. All right. So obviously we're going to draw our Elliott waves here because again, this is kind of what's happening in the market. All right. If you learn Elliott waves, you can make a lot of money trading. Okay. Once I learned Elliott waves, actually this is one of the first things I learned. So I was really blessed. I believe that the Lord really helped lead me into this, to the right people to learn from and things like that. And so this is one of the first things I learned. And literally as a brand new trader, I made about 300% on my money within about 90 days-ish. I don't know the exact number of days, but right around that time frame. And so I did it because I understood Elliott waves. And what's really cool about that is when I started in the beginning, I was doing like $100 trades, whereas now I'm trading with $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per trade, and it's because I learned Elliott waves. It's because I learned the right places to get in, the right places to exit, and it's just really, really powerful. So I want to kind of share some of that stuff with you on what I've learned. All right. So this is really kind of what's happening in Bitcoin is we're seeing this market cycle just like really play out. I mean, over the last week or two, we've really confirmed this fifth wave is happening. All right. And this fifth wave could get really, really impulsive and go up to possibly about $10,000, somewhere in that range. And then really right in, how do I draw this? Let's do it this way. Here's what's going to happen, guys. Like, that is not what I wanted. All right. Okay. Let's do this rectangle. Okay. Here's what's going to happen. Right in this zone, we're about to hit it, is where FOMO is going to be nuts on Bitcoin. All right. So I already know because I came from the business opportunity, online marketing, affiliate marketing world. And even in the affiliate marketing world, like big guys, all right? Take Tai Lopez. He's amazing. Tai Lopez is awesome. He runs ads all over the place. I'm sure you know him. You've seen him in his garage many times. And even him, a while back, I heard someone say, hey, what do you think about Bitcoin? And he's like, I'd be careful and stay away from Bitcoin. It's just too volatile. Then yesterday he posted on Instagram that he's going to a Bitcoin conference, right? So it's, or Snapchat or something like that. So big people that are in other spaces are coming into cryptocurrency, and it's like, they're probably going to make money, but at the same time, like they kind of came in at the wrong place because they don't understand market cycles. And I kind of want to share with you guys, trading and understanding market cycles and understanding technical analysis, because if you do, you can make a lot more money than most people that are in cryptocurrency, right? So most people are going to be jumping in as more of the masses start coming in, because Bitcoin up until now has still been kind of it's been growing a ton. So I'm not going to say it's like just a little niche, because obviously it's just gaining a lot of popularity. But what's going to happen is so many people are going to buy in here at the wrong time. And then there's going to be, whales and people that have tons of Bitcoin that are going to start taking their profits. And this is what's going to happen. we are going to have a correction. I'm not saying these are the prices it's going to hit. This is just a general drawing of Elliott waves. There will be a correction, something like this. I imagine Bitcoin will go up to about 10,000 and it will come down to somewhere, in the $5,000, $4,000 range. And then that'll be a whole market cycle. And then hopefully it'll start an entirely new market cycle, right? And then hopefully this is what it becomes. Let me see if I can move this chart in. All right. Hopefully this is what then happens after this complete market cycle is we just have a big one come down to 2 and 3, 4, and then goes on. I'm kind of running out of chart room. Okay. And then that maybe then it goes to 25,000 or whatever it's going to do. Okay. So I wanted to point this out. I also want to show you how we are getting our targets because I've had people ask us, why do I say that Bitcoin's going to $5,000? I got to give a shout out to my friend, some of the people that I've learned from. Dallin at High Altitude Investing is awesome, great friend of mine. I've actually, kind of done a joint venture with him. He's amazing. He's one of the best traders, in my opinion, that I've ever met. So I've learned a lot from people, and I'm really, really grateful for that. But I want to get rid of this, so let's see. Okay. There we go. So how do we know that Bitcoin is going to 10,000? Okay. So we know this by, we don't know exactly, but the way that we predict targets or predict exit points is we like to use Fibonacci extension lines. All right. So I like to use Fibonacci. If you never use Fibonacci, it's pretty simple. You can use it like in TradingView, Coinigy. There's different places, different chart tools that you can use. And so I get Fibonacci. I just go here, grab my Fib retracement. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my Fib line from the top of this 3 spot down to the 2. Okay. So I'm going to draw it from this top right here, and I'm going to go down to this bottom. All right, right there. And so now what happens is Fibonacci gives us these extensions in price. Okay, so we have the 1.618, and then if we go up even more, we have the 2.618. All right. So what I'm going to do now is kind of scroll over this way so you can see the price action. All right. So if I take a line and I draw it, let's do a trend line. So if I draw a line right here, Bitcoin could easily hit, that's not what I wanted either. All right, let's see, horizontal line, there we go. All right, so Bitcoin could easily get up around $6,800, $7,000, right in that range. These fib lines can be, you got to really zoom in and place them exact. But right around $7,000 would be the first place we're really going to take a look at Bitcoin, and then probably then we'll start looking at Ichimoku clouds, RSI strength, some other indicators, and then just kind of see where it's at, volume, that kind of stuff. But the other place we really think it's going to get, because in cryptocurrency what happens is this fifth wave gets really, really impulsive and just goes nuts and goes up to the 2.618, and that is where I really believe Bitcoin is probably going to start to do its correction. I mean, there's a chance it could blow through that and even get up into $12,000, $13,000, but there is going to be a correction. That's what, Bitcoin is in a bubble, honestly. It is going to pop at some point. And as long as you understand this stuff, you will learn how to play it, how to get in and out, and how to make money all the way up to the top, and then even start making money all the way down in the correction, okay? Once you understand these things. So this is kind of what we're looking at. I believe this is what's going to happen in Bitcoin. So I'm looking at it to once it gets around $7,000, we're going to be watching it very closely, probably start using trailing stops and all that kind of stuff. And again, the psychology of what's going to begin to happen is people are going to start taking out loans and remortgaging their house and doing all kinds of stuff to get into Bitcoin because they don't want to miss out. And that thing kind of psychologically will just play itself out because all of this is really just mathematically predicting emotions, right? And this cycle just plays itself over and over and over in financial markets, and you just see it kind of everywhere, right? And so this is what's happening. This is what I believe is happening. Probably going to 7,000, then 10,000 is the next price point we're really going to take a look at, and then we'll see. I'm going to be using trailing stops for sure by then to make sure that I lock in profit. But yeah, guys, that's it. So here's what I'm going to do with the 0.01 Bitcoin giveaway. If you leave a comment below, leave something cool, like, ask questions, maybe, leave your input, your thoughts about this chart, about Bitcoin in the comments below, something positive, something awesome. And in the comment with the most upvotes, I'm going to try my best to pick the one with the most upvotes. I think I have a tool that I can use to do that. But bear with me as I start doing these giveaways. I want to do it right. So in tomorrow's video or the next video that I post, I want to do a 0.01 Bitcoin giveaway. Now, all you have to do, again, leave a comment below. Also include your Bitcoin address in case you win. I'll send over your Bitcoin like immediately, right away. And then you need to just share the video. That's it, okay? Share the video, leave a comment, and you'll be entered into a chance to win the 0.01 Bitcoin giveaway. And I'll actually pick the winner on tomorrow's video. All right? Appreciate you guys. Thanks, and we'll speak to you soon. Peace.